Am I getting from next
Up
time?
again.
There's the light, that one is pointing straight at us. So about there. Brakes. Checklist. Pre-takeoff checks. Okay, so fuel is on both, we know that. Fuel shut-off is in. Trim is set. Alright, transponder is at alt. Timer to go. We're holding short at Golf.
30 degrees 10 knots, clear to land.
So we won't call Antonio because the man is just there. 1014.
This one here.
1014, confirm joint downwind right for 07.
Different. Runway 07 you use, right downwind 407.
Right downwind for 07, Coast Guard 116.
And Tower Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie is ready for departure at Golf.
Foxtrot Charlie, line up and wait 07.
Line up and wait 07. Echo Foxtrot Charlie. You okay, Robbie?
Yep, 100%.
Doors are closed,
You're free,
windows
is
are
it right?
closed. Just have the timer to go. So we're lining up and waiting. Get out of here before that heli comes.
Yep.
Okay,
Go
so
there.
yeah, same. It'll be a left turn off after Eddie's house, climbing all the way up to 1,000 feet with a right turn onto the motorway, and then we'll just carry on out as normal.
At 13 knots, clear for takeoff, left turning out to the west, remain south of the motorway.
So we're clear to take off from 07 on a left turn out, and we will remain south of the motorway. Echo Foxtrot Charlie. So, on.
Coast Guard 116, downwind 07 right hand, visual.
Okay, we have airspeed, everything is going good.
Bottom fine.
55, just hold her. Up she comes. Get back on the wrong heading, it'd be better, wouldn't it?
Both on now.
And brakes on, stop the wheels. And we're going 500 feet, that's good. We're getting a good push here, Rob.
Yeah.
More wind than I was expecting. So there's Eddie's house.
Coast Guard 116, turning.
We shall start our left turn.
Coast Guard 116, runway 07, so between 0 and 9, 30 degrees, 12 knots, clear to land.
Clear land, Coast Guard 116.
Keep the turn on here, Robbie. You come back parallel. And we are parallel.
Now parallel.
Echo Foxtrot Charlie is just approaching your call.
Takeoff for Charlie, copy, doubling info available, 118.5, minute to the east, close, talk to you later now. Just traffic info, winding bound from the northwest.
We keep an eye out for him and we're over to 1185. Echo Foxtrot Charlie.
Thank you, the QNH still 1015.
1015. And Dublin information, Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Echo India, Tango Fox, Charlie, Dublin, good day, the QNH 1015, pass the message.
1015, we're just out of Weston, we just passed the toll plaza. We're going to be out here to the west for about 30 minutes and then straight back to Weston.
Echo Fox, Charlie, Roger, maintain VFR, clear control airspace. It's relatively quiet out to the west this time, and parachuting active at Combalog.
So that's Kinnegad, you can do a UE at Kinnegad. Get back in time for another can of Coke. It's so warm, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. That's nice to fly again.
Oh, you're doing well. See you now.
Dublin Echo India, Bravo Charlie, Julius changing to Kilrush 123425. Good day.
25 degrees, Rob.
Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah. At 2,000 feet. Go around to 120 initially. See what that does for you. Clearing out there, we're good. And then when you have the turn completed, you can start your descending down for the 1500 for getting back into Weston. Keep her swinging.
Railroad to the canal.
Yeah.
To Greenway. See it now.
Ah, sure, look, you're right. 120 is going to work out pretty good. That's Enfield, and then Kilcock is up ahead. This is 2,500 here. 3,500, so we're still good. Alright, nicely on track there. That's Enfield. And Weston Tower, it's Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Echo Sierra Tango, feel ready for departure?
Yeah, firm.
Echo India Foxtrot X-ray Whiskey, somebody calling the background, so just confirm the terms of volume fuel endurance, please. Sorry, you have a final destination? Studies approved, QNH 1013.
Weston is Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie, approaching Kilcock, request and re-entering.
Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie, Weston, 1500 feet minutes, report passing minutes, QNH 1013.
1013, report start of minutes, Echo India, Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Western Tower, India, Echo 676, QNH
So,
1013.
Peter's coming out to Kilcock, we'll be past him.
676 is studies approved, QNH 1013.
Start approved, QNH 1013, India, Echo 676.
Western Tower, Tango to Bravo, south minutes, 1000 feet.
1,000 feet. She's coming out, she's the other side, we're north.
Take it down to Bravo doubling if available on 185.
Let's go with all the lights I have here. So she's over there 1,000 feet south of Manila. After getting very busy, isn't it? Everybody's out.
Taking the Romeo Lima Yankee, yes sir, you have to take off clearance. Clear for takeoff 07, left turning out to the west, remain sort of the motorway, wind 090 degrees at 13.
Company wind, clear for takeoff, left turn out, west, out the motorway. Romeo Lima Yankee. Tower, repeat the Foxtrot, X-ray Whiskey, ready for taxi.
That's Miles.
Echo X-ray Whiskey.
That's why it's so busy.
07.
All the boys are leaving.
Bravo 07, hold point off, Echo X-ray Whiskey. Sarah Tango, just past minute, we'll call you, Kilcock, remember.
As you can see, thank you, just be advised, company 152 operating 2 miles ahead, 172 inbound, should be in the area of Maynooth, keep an eye, call inbound.
Will do.
And Western Tower, Echo India Foxtrot Charlie, just approaching North Manute.
As we Tango Foxtrot Charlie, continue overhead the airfield right down, wind 07, call approaching outside.
We call overhead and we're expecting overhead for a right downwind for 07, Echo Foxtrot Charlie.
And I'm going to go to the left here to give us a longer
Western Tower, India,
downwind.
Echo 676, request taxi.
Brakes are off, mixture is fully rich. Fuel is on board.
Echo India Romeo Lima Yankee, contact now, doubling information available on 118 decimal, fire, make clear control space, closely look at flight plan, time 12, safe flight, thanks for the visit. Traffic info, stabilizing, operating in the west, keep an eye.
Copy to Traffic Antonio, thank you very much, and 118 decimal 5, Lima Yankee.
Tango Foxtrot Charlie, report position.
We're just coming over Leaksliff, heading for, inbound, just heading for the overhead.
Thanks, no, just continue reporting final number 1.
We'll report final number 1.
And X-ray, Echo India Foxtrot, X-ray Whiskey, runway 07, 100 degrees, 11 knots, clear for takeoff, left turning out to the west, remain south of the motor.
Clear for takeoff, runway 07, turning left, remaining south, the info motorway, Echo India Fox, X-ray Whiskey.
I didn't know it was over Leakslip or Selbridge or where. Okay, so we're putting her down now. There's nobody else waiting for the. Oh wait, no, they're all here.
One going now.
Yeah, okay. I
And
see.
there's another one waiting there.
Yeah, well, he should get away.
Two waiting actually.
I better.
One left, one right.
Not worry. I'll hold her now. Coming back to my flap speed. Just don't go above 1,000 miles. Just going out here a bit now. Have a bit of height to lose.
What's the speed?
I have the speed nailed, don't worry. Starting our turn now. That's our runway there.
And Echo Foxtrot Charlie on final 07, full stop.
Charlie 1 with 0709, 0 degrees 10 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land on 07, Echo Foxtrot Charlie.
Cross now.
Weston Tower, Echo Foxtrot, X-ray Whiskey 7 minutes 1000 feet.
Echo Foxtrot, X-ray Whiskey, doubling information available on 118.5, remain clear of control space, close to the local flight plan, sign 17,
flag
take off.
side.
Perfect.
185, thanks for help, wait.
I have it.